Hello! In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox white screen when joining game. The first thing you may try, it is to update your graphics driver. If you try that and then it still doesn't work, you can try these few solutions. The first thing is, if you have installed your Roblox through a Windows, you can try using Microsoft Store. So you just go on Microsoft Store, type in Roblox, and then click on Git. It will download via Microsoft and try to run it via the Microsoft account. And let's say you do have the Microsoft account, try to install it using the Windows app. So what you do, just open your browser, go on Roblox/download, download the app, install it in your system. Try to run it, and you're done.